Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go about saving an Instagram story to your archive. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your profile icon down the bottom right to be directed to your profile page, and then select the hamburger icon at the top right. And now you want to scroll down underneath where it says your app and media and select archiving and downloading. Where it says save story to archive, click inside this oval one time until it's lit up blue and to the right, meaning it's turned on and your stories are now saved to the archive. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.